All right, thank you, Evan. Second down and 11 here for Buffalo. Josh Allen is 3 of 5 for 10 yards. Give it to Cook. Cook breaks a tackle.
Let's see if they can do it again.
It's almost hard to believe. Josh Allen had just 35 passing yards in the first half. Handoff to Cook. Third and goal. Handoff. Cook trying to extend it. Not a wide receiver, a football player. That's the best compliment I can give him. He blocks, he catches, he celebrates with his teammates. Handoff to Cook, dancing, and Cook accelerating.
It's a football thing.
2nd and 1.
Love being called a signal.
On a give, Cook slices through, and he takes it in for the touchdown.